I just want to document the study that I have and the system that I want to create. As you all know, meron na po tayong nagawang system, which is this is the very famous system and strategy that I've created that is currently nagbibigay na po ng consistency. But yet, hindi po ito ang gusto kong mangyari, but ito lang po talaga is part of a bigger system that I am trying to do. Sabi nga, if the bigger profit is, the faster you could profit, the ganon din kalalim ang inyong sistema and how you apply your strategy. So, for the head and shoulders, which is yan po ang pinakagusto ko sa mga patterns, wala na po tayong problema dyan. Now, we have already documented it and we have proven it and the consistency is already there. Now, the second na pinapakita ko, which is I'm documenting it, is eto naman. This is the 4 hours consolidation that currently nagagather na po ako ng data nito. So, I really needed this para mabuo ang aking gustong approach regarding swing trades. So, before that, before we will go to the currency right now na pasok sa mga binabangkit ko at sa pinag-aaralan ko, we will go first for the flow chart of the swing trade na gusto kong mangyari. As I have said, maraming proseso, maraming pamaraan ang pag-swing trade. And eto na pamaraan ang pinili ko kasi dito ko naman nahanap ang consistency ko. No? So, when we talk about swing trading, on my experience, based on the analysis that I have and based on the data, the higher the time frame, the accurate the direction. Kaya pag nakita ko doon, one day, no, napaka-accurate talaga ang direction na makikita mo. The only problem with that is napakalaki naman ng pips. Napakalaki ang needed capital for you to operate on one day. So that's why I figure out first a proven system that I could be consistent regarding on entry point, which is sa mga pattern na pinag-aralan natin, we already have one and that's good enough for me, which is the head and shoulders. Proven na po natin yan. No problem with that. Then, the second is, wherever there's a consolidation, right after the consolidation, merong strong trend na mangyayari. So, in order for me, para sa akin, to start for a swing trading, I need to learn about pattern, which is, in the pattern, dyan na lumalabas yung harmonic, yung flag, and of course, yung proven natin na head and shoulders. And what I have found out that I need to have a deeper knowledge regarding consolidation. So, sa consolidation naman, that's why pinag-aaralan ko ngayon ito, this one, itong 4 hours consolidation na sinasabi ko, at ang strategy ko is nasa 1 hour, it is because I needed this for my swing trade. And right now, under construction pa po siya. But napapansin nyo, on the flow chart niya is, in order for me to have a swing trade, I need to have a pattern. And in order to have a pattern, I need to identify consolidation and deeper understanding on consolidation. Then, ang solution na nakikita ko dito is I will have to identify the 4 hours consolidation, which is ngayon, yan na ang ginagawa kong sistema. And of course, for the pattern, I have chosen head and shoulders, which is actually the head and shoulders is a reversal pattern. Yes, totoo, reversal pattern siya. Lalo na pag nag-a-appear to sa mga higher time frame. But then again, this is also part of the consolidation. So, makikita mo paikot-ikot lang, right? So, para minsan kasi dahil sa dami na ng at hindi pare-pareho ang data, ang chart is napapalayo ako, kaya I draw this flowchart para hindi ako mapalayo. So, ngayon, which is advantage na po at meron na tayong head and shoulders, ngayon, we will go for the 4 hours consolidation, which is kailangan kong magkaroon ng deeper knowledge, deeper understanding, at deeper system regarding this one. So, for my trade next week, nagkataon din na meron tayong trade. Meron ako nakita na pasok for the swing trade that I want. Diba? Kasi marami, kaya nga sabi ko maraming sistema about swing trade. So, ang currency na ito ay AUD USD, which is, I'm gonna start on the higher time frame para mas maintindihan natin. So, here I have AUD USD on the weekly. Makikita po that we already have a rising wedge. See, pattern siya. And the rising wedge is part of the consolidation. As I have said, paikot-ikot yan. Then, dito naman sa weekly, may nakikita tayo na malinaw naman po na makikita natin dyan ang tinatawag natin na head and shoulders, which is proven na po natin ito. Yes. This is on the weekly. So, nakita natin that reversal talaga ang head and shoulders, which is, as of now, nag-reverse nga siya. What I want you to see is also here. Ito na area. Makikita nyo the doji pattern din yan. This is a candlestick pattern na mga bullish, bearish nag-aaway at hindi pa alam kung saan ang pupunta ng market. And on the last week, may nagkaroon ng breakout. However, the question here is this a legitimate breakout? Or baka mag-false breakout siya? Babalik siyang paakyat. Right? So, dito, in order for me to swing trade for this, ito ang gusto kong makikita at ito ang gusto kong hinanap. Now, for 1 week, confirm natin na down. Kasi, yung nga, aside from rising wedge, head and shoulders, tapos merong pattern at nag-breakout. Now, for the 1 day, punta tayo ng 1 day, dito naman, kita pa rin ang head and shoulders for the 1 day, at nakita pa rin natin ang pullback, diba? So, makikita mo rin, merong head and shoulders, small head and shoulders dyan. So, gamit na gamit talaga ang head and shoulders, both on entry and on when to stop or when to magdagdag, or it is really showing that directions. Tapos, ang nakikita ko ngayon is ito, a flag pattern. So, mapapansin mo, there is a consolidation, meaning to say, hindi alam kung saan ang pupunta. So, nagkaroon ng consolidation for almost a month, no? 25, 26 days yata to. No? Aakyat, bababa, aakyat, bababa naman, aakyat. So, nag-aagawa ng bullish and bearish dito. Until such time, nung last Friday, at merong nangyaring breakout. Now, since sa 1 day, meron nangyaring breakout, saan ang pinaka maganda na to be involved in the market? Actually, if we are sanay kayo mag-day trading or daily time frame, ang trade nyo is a lot of the traders nag-i-involve na ngayon. But then again, kasi po nga po, Pilipino tayo, hindi gaano kalaki ang ating puhunan, the problem with higher time frame, trading with it, is malaki ang kailangan mong capital para to withstand the corrections, no? At if ever mali ka, malaki din na mawawala. That's why ang ginawa ko dito is I want to identify an entry that is suitable for me. So, in one day, meron ng breakout. But then the question again, gaya ng 1 week, is this confirmed breakout? Baka mag-false, baka aakyat. Now, kung aakyat man, hanggang saan? Diba? So, ang nangyari, let's go for 4 hours at dito na yung sinasabi ko. That's why, balik po ako dito, papakita ko lang, that's why I want to learn more and I want to gather more data regarding this so that I will know the characteristics ng ganitong 4 hours consolidation in which makikita po natin na dito sa AUD-USD on 4 hours time frame is meron na siyang consolidation na nangyayari. Although, kulang pa. No? Kulang pa siya ng candlestick para to further confirm. And from here, dito na ako gumagamit ng mga tools, ng mga indicators. And I am really fan of the market checker that I have created also, that I have programmed. So sa ngayon, nakikita ko merong rejection. So I'm waiting for the retest and the confirm pattern, the confirm 4 hours consolidation na gusto ko makita, like this one, meron tayong sistema niyan. If ever ibibigay niya dyan, maibibigay niya yung mga confirmation na yon, yung mga ganun na sistema at magkakaroon siya ng consolidation of the 4 hours, we will have a good idea and a good start and entry point. So, sa ngayon, on the 4 hours chart, wala pa po, naghihintay pa po ako ng further confirmation. No? So, hopefully, I have deeper understanding na dito, although hindi pa tapos ang aking pag-aaral, but yet I could use already this one, this kind of system, dito sa AUD-USD. Now, if ever the market will show, will give me a confirmation that it's gonna go down, then napakaganda po ang mangyari sa 1 hour, which is ang entry natin. Diba? So, sabihin na natin na naging favor ang market sa atin at nagbigay talaga siya ng mga confirmation the 4 hours na nasa consolidation natin. So, ang mangyayari dyan, magkakaroon tayo, ma-identify na natin yung rejection and retest, magkakaroon tayo ng magandang pattern, which is kung mapapansin nyo, this is one of the good pattern. Right? So, pasok na pasok ang pasok na pasok po yung pinag-aaralan natin ngayon, yung the latest video that I have created. No? Sa 4 hours, ganon ang mangyari. If ever sa AUD-USD on this coming week, maging ganito ang sistema niya, so alam na natin sa 1 hour, ito ang mangyari. Susundin ko yung system ko. Diba? So, if ever ganyan ang mangyari, this is a good place to start. So, kung babalik tayo yung flowchart natin, mapapansin mo, I could have a swing trade for this. Pwede ako mag-swing trade nito. No? Aside from that, kasi if we will go back for 1 day, dito naman sa 1 day, sinukat po natin carefully dahil nagkaroon ng flag pattern. Sinukat ko po from the distance over here hanggang sa baba. And mapapansin natin that ang 161.80% is ito na line. So meaning to say, this will be the maximum na aabutin niya on 1 day time frame if ever confirm na bababa. And ang sure ball naman, kung conservative type, is nandito naman, which is, kung mapapansin mo, this is the extension of this height. This is the 161.80. Ito. Now, based naman po sa ating mga patterns and the flag pattern, so kung anong height nito, kinuha ko yung height niyan, ganun din ang ginawa ko. So, mapapansin mo, pasok na pasok po sa ating 161. So, merong correlating. Tapos, kinuha ko tong height na to at pababa at nag-clean on ko yan, pasok na naman dito. Which is, if you will look back no, on the previous dates, mapapansin mo na tumama siya, no? Tumama siya sa support and resistance. So this only shows that maganda, one or two confirmations are correlating. The tools that we are using are supporting each other, and nagsusupport siya in both time frame, right? So hopefully, as we could see, pag nagbigay na ito ng magandang confirmation, then we will go trade down. Now, aside from that, we will also consider also the other way around. So as I have checked on this area, ito po is ang yearly, no? Yearly pivot, yearly time frame, kumbaga malakas na support naman. Kaya if ever he will violate this, then confirm din talaga na bababa. Pero malaki naman ang chance na i-bounce niya. Gaya ng sinabi ko, baka false breakout ito kasi dahil din dito. So if ever aakyat siya, maaring magpo-fall siya, tuloy niya akyat, or pupunta lang siya dito, ibabalik niya dyan bago siya tuluyang bababa. Yan. So, as I have said, sa 4 hours time frame, wala pa po tayong confirmation. Sa 1 week, may confirmation na tayo na going down. Sa 1 day, may confirmation tayo na going down. Sa 4 hours is neutral pa. So, wala pa tayong, of course, sa 1 day, hindi ako makapagbigay kung hindi mako-confirm sa 4 hours. So, waiting po tayo nito, and hopefully, it will be favorable in our side. And if it does, it's a good place to start swing trades. And if ever yun ang mangyari, then I have just perfected the flow chart of the swing trade that I am about to do. No? So, dito, at least, uulitin ko lang po, it doesn't mean eto na po talaga ang pamaraan. No, hindi. This is just a part. This is just one of the system and strategy to implement a swing trade. Marami pa pong iba dyan, but eto po ang pinili ko dahil mapadali sa akin at mahiyang sa akin, kaya I enhance more and I even dig more, created more system para mapabuo at ma-perfect natin ito. So, yan lang po. Disclaimer po ha. Although this is on my watch list already and I am going to trade this in my live account, still, since hindi ko proven siya, maliban na lang if there's a head and shoulders, pero mag-stick lang po tayo sa proven muna natin para hindi naman kayo magkamali. But on the swing trade, please, not recommended yet. Uulitin ko, not recommended yet. My swing trade system is not recommended yet. It's still under construction. But for my proven pattern trading on the head and shoulders, yan ang recommended ko. So, maraming salamat po. This is Uling Cyril documenting my swing trading system. That's it. Thank you.